Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In this spectacular location at Nivati Fort, this used to be a fort earlier but right now it's collapsed. So today we are going to cook a dish, it's going to be a fusion of Italian and Indian, basically a coastal pasta. So I'm going to be cooking penne pasta in a tomato and coconut cream sauce. I'm sure you're going to love this. It is an excellent Indian twist to a regular Italian dish. Please post me your comments on my YouTube comment section. Do not forget to like and share this video if you like the recipe, and please hit the bell button so you get the latest updates of my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For this recipe you'll need 300 grams of pasta of your choice, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, 7 large tomatoes, 10 to 12 garlic pods, 1 inch of ginger, handful of curry leaves chopped, 2 medium-sized onions, 4 spicy green chilies, half an inch of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste. In addition, you'll need about 4 tablespoons of oil and a handful of cashew nuts. Begin by grinding your dry spices into a fine powder, which will include 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns with 2 cloves and half an inch of cinnamon stick. To this powder, now add in your wet ingredients, which includes your onion, some ginger, garlic, green chilies, and grind them into a fine paste. Boil your pasta in some salted water using the directions written on your pasta packaging. Let's begin making our sauce, for which I'm going to heat up some oil in a pressure cooker. Now add in your ground masala paste once the oil is hot. Saute this paste for a minute on a medium flame. Now add in your dry curry spices, that includes your red chili powder, some turmeric, some salt to taste, coriander powder and a little bit of garam masala. Saute this mixture for about half a minute. In the same blender, grind some cashew nuts into a fine powder. Now add in your roughly chopped tomatoes and blend them together into a fine puree. With the traditional Italian method of blanching tomatoes, you get very little sauce, but with this method, you get plenty of tomato sauce with the same quantity of tomato, and that's the best part of this recipe. Add the paste of tomato and cashew nuts to your sauteed onion mixture. Stir this mixture well on a medium flame. Adjust the salt if needed. Now add in 1.5 cups of water. Stir this well. Cover your pressure cooker and cook this for about 2 whistles. Let the pressure release on its own and then open the pressure cooker. Now add in about 400 milliliters of freshly squeezed coconut milk. You may use the canned version too, but because I was already in my hometown Malvan, which is famous for its coconut, so I preferred the fresh coconut. Stir this well and cook for about 2 minutes on a medium flame. Add in a tablespoon of sugar, which gives an enhanced taste. Sauce is now ready. I had to cook this sauce indoors at home because it's quite windy at Nivati Fort and I could not rely on cooking over there. We'll do the final touch-up at Nivati Fort. To do the final tempering of pasta, add a little oil to a heated pan or a kadai. Add in some mustard seeds once oil is hot and let them crackle. Then add in your chopped curry leaves. Now add in your cooked tomato and coconut curry sauce. Stir this well and cook for an additional minute. Now add in your boiled pasta to this sauce. Mix in thoroughly and let the flavors blend in for about a minute, and your pasta is now ready to serve. This certainly is a unique curry pasta which you can easily get addicted to. You may also add in vegetables or meats as per your preference to this. Taste test, the most exciting part. I'm really drooling because I was starving all this time. I've not had lunch. It's going to be almost sunset. So, very flavorful. Delicious. The sauce is extremely delicious. Cheers.